Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of Magento. So today we are going to add a custom field in the CMS pages, and we are going to try to get this field into our template file, that the page that we are going to show it. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and you really like the video, please hit like to this video. Okay, so what we have done is we have add additional field in the CMS page, right? This is the CMS page. Okay, so we have added the additional meta field, and after this, after adding this field, we are trying to get this field into our page. So this is the field that we are trying to get on the page. Okay, this is the about page, or you can add anything over here. Lorem. Okay, I'm going to try to save this. What it says, some data. Okay, so this data is saved. Okay, now if I'm going and check this one, so this is the template file. So in my template file I have added in the additional block, so you can move this data into whatever, wherever you want, whether it to be bottom, whether to be the header. So it's up to you. So whether you want to add such kind of things, whether it go with a header, footer or something, so you can add such kind of things and show them into the respective places, right? So if you want this tutorial to be full-fledged, to be uploaded in the playlist, so let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.